Today this video explains how to increase the security of your Binance account. If you do not have a Binance account yet, you can click on the card shown above, and watch the video on how to create an account and verify it first. I will put the link of that video in the description as well. Okay, select the Security tab here, and when you click on it, you will be taken to the security-related web page of the account like this. At the top of the page you can see that there are 4 things that Binance recommends to get a significant level of good security for your account. 2 of them have already been completed, as in the first video, when creating an account correctly. Another security measure is to verify your phone number. Then every time you log into the account you will be sent a code to your phone number asking you to confirm it. Even if someone else knows your email and password, he will not be able to log into your account without your SIM card. Click the Enable button. First select your country code. Then type in your phone number correctly. Then click on both the Get Code below. The one above will send a code to your phone number and the one below will send a code to your email. Now type the code sent to your phone number by a text message in the box above. Then check your email. Copy the code sent to it and paste it in the box below. If the code is correct, it will be automatically submitted. Now click on the Back to Security button to go back to the security web page. At the bottom you will see the activation of the AntiPhishing Code. But I already have it enabled. It's so easy. All you have to do is type in something you like, and save it. You can change it at any time by clicking on this Change button. Okay, I will explain the functionality of AntiPhishing Code and its importance. As you can see in the box below, when you type in any code that is unique to you and saves it, it will be included at the top of all emails sent to you by Binance. Okay, let me show you one example. Here is an email sent to me by Binance after I enabled the AntiPhishing Code. At the top of this email, you will see the code I typed earlier as AntiPhishing Code. This code is a code that you have created and only you and Binance know. Therefore, this code will help you to correctly identify the emails coming from Binance. Then you will be completely protected from scams by spam emails. Let's take a look at some of the additional security tips at the top of the security page. The first one is security key. As mentioned here, your security key binding only applies to Binance.com. When security key verification is enabled, you will only be able to validate withdrawal requests through your security key. Currently, Binance only supports security key on web. You will not be able to log in via Binance app or desktop app. If I want to access Binance from a computer other than my own, it is very risky to type my password on that computer and I always use to scan the QR code through the app in such cases. In addition, the Binance mobile app, which provides an easy-to-use interface even when trading, is a big disadvantage of not being able to use after this security key, so it is not necessary to enable it until one day this key is upgraded to support the mobile app. Below the security key there is another security method that enabling Binance Authenticator, or Google Authenticator. It is also mentioned that it is recommended by Binance. Below that you will see a link highlighted under the text, "Having trouble?" Let's click on that. Then the full description of how to enable Binance Authenticator, or Google Authenticator will very clearly open on another page. If you want, download another app for Binance Authenticator to your phone and enable this security feature as well. From here you can change your password at any time. It requires your old password and the code that comes with your email and phone, so it's hard for anyone other than you to do that. The Manage Devices feature at the bottom allows you to view all the devices that are logged into your account. It also lets you know when someone you do not know is logged into your account. You can also log out of those devices right away. In that case, change your password again immediately. Below that, go to Account Activity, and you can see the login time and number of times you have logged into the account from the relevant devices. Finally, let's see how to enable the Withdrawal Whitelist feature. Click on the Address Management link text highlighted here. You will then be taken to a web page like this. Here you can give one or more wallet addresses. Then you can send crypto from your account only to those addresses which you have given permission to. You can change these addresses at any time. This means that even if someone else controls your account for a short period of time, he will not be able to transfer crypto from your account to his wallets as he wishes. This will protect your crypto in your account. Click on this Enable button to activate the Withdrawal Whitelist feature. Then click the Enable Now button. Then click on the Get Code to get the verification code to your phone number. Type the code that Binance sends to your phone correctly in this box. Then it will submit automatically. After all, at the top of the page it is shown that all the 4 points provided by Binance, which we talked about earlier, have been fulfilled. Removing the logo with the exclamation mark from the previous place, and replacing it with a logo with the correct mark, confirms that we have achieved a significant level of security for our account. Thanks for watching until the end of the video. In the next video, we will see how to buy cryptocurrency correctly from someone else through P2P facility. Stay safe until we meet again with that video. Have a nice day.